Frizzlife Reverse Osmosis. Frizzlife Reverse Osmosis Review. Best tankless reverse osmosis system for well water. The Frizzlife PX-500A looks nothing like an RO filtration system for well water. Its curved edges, tankless technology, and advanced artistic design is a marvel to behold. Competitively speaking, the Frizzlife PX-500A uses a precision RO membrane to remove up to 99.99% of all harmful contaminants. A proprietary pre-filter preserves the life of the RO membrane, and a unique post-alkaline filter helps leave essential minerals in the water. Count on the Frizzlife to deliver 500 gallons of filtered well water per day, or hook it up to the fridge for continuously healthy, crystal clear, and ice cubes. It makes Frizzlife the best tankless reverse osmosis system for well water. The PX-500A comes preloaded with 3 7-layer filters. The unit is fully integrated, so no massive tank is needed, saving you lots of space under the counter. That means no massive connection points and few leakage concerns. DIY installation is as easy as removing it from the box breeze and following the step-by-step installation video or easy-to-read instruction manual. The accompanying brushed nickel faucet is a beautiful upgrade to the kitchen sink. The Frizzlife PX-500A is attractive enough to leave on the kitchen counter, measures 14 by 5 by 18 inches, and weighs 27.6 pounds. Warranty: strict 30 days from date of purchase return policy for defective product only. Pros: intelligent design, more affordable water bill, fast, stable water outflow. Cons: may power on and off unexpectedly. All plastic housing, no substantial warranty.